Hey, it's Jason here with the 91 Land Rover Range Rover Classic, and today's project is putting a license plate bracket on the front. A lot of kits exist where you basically go right into the bumper, or you would unscrew these two, put a big bracket in. But I didn't want to do any of that, and I didn't want to spend the money on it, and it was kind of a bulky item. I wanted something where the plate would just kind of sit free. So what I'm going to do is actually mount this below right here. So this I'm going to drill into. It's not metal, it's just plastic, so that should give me enough bite instead of going into the actual front bumper. And if I ever want to remove the license plate, it won't be as unsightly, and that lower plastic trim is a lot easier to obtain and to fill even than the actual bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, drill the bracket, explain it, put the plate on, explain it, and give you an idea. So sit tight, and I'll be right back. So the first thing I did was I basically put this exactly where I wanted it on the car. And then I drilled guide holes in the plastic. So I used a real small bit, and I drilled guide holes, and then I'm going to basically put them in with this. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to screw up the bracket, and I'll be right back. So I have the bracket mounted now, and you can see what I was talking about by getting a relatively sleek look. A lot of the other ones had an entire plastic backing. Well, I just want to have a small piece of plastic that will hold, and then I'll put the license right into that. So that's it. The plate is mounted. It's pretty sleek in terms of the position. It doesn't look too bulky in my opinion. And all you do is drill two guide holes, as I showed, put the small plastic on, and then mount it in. It's very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. If it comes off, I have bigger issues to worry about than the mounting. So that's that. If you have a Range Rover Classic in a state like Maryland, where I live, and it requires a front plate, I'm sure you can ride around without one, keep it laying up on the dash. But I didn't want to hassle with any of that, especially as I'm going to more car shows. So I installed this. The part on eBay was $6. It took 10 minutes, maybe. That was unpackaging it, drilling the holes, taking a break, and then hooking it back up. Be sure to check out my blog, jams.net, jamz.net, for all of my Land Rover videos, specifically the Range Rover Classic, the L322 2007, the Discovery 1, which is a new one, a 98 Discovery 1, one owner, and then the one next to it's also a Disco 1, but it's a 99. So I have a small collection of Land Rovers, and I really enjoy tinkering with them and sharing my videos. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.